So far you saw that we've been using Jib by running maven clean install, Jib build, and then passing all of these variables, so on and so forth. So what I want to do is actually create a profile that we can use and then have a little bit more flexibility. So let's go ahead and open up IntelliJ and open up the pom.xml. So pom.xml in here. And what we're going to do is the following. So here, let's go ahead and create a new property, and I want to say app.image dot and then name, and this will be Spring Boot dash and then React dash and then full stack. So you can name this whatever you want, but let's just keep this as the name of the course. And also I want to have the app.image and then dot and then tag. And this will be a self-closing one because we're going to have to pass this. So now let's scroll down, and where we have this profile, so build front end, let's create another profile. So profile, and this will have an ID, and the ID will be Jib and then dash push to and then Docker. And right here, let's have the activation, and this will be active by default and then false. And let's have the build section. And inside of the build, what we want basically is to grab all of this. So let's grab this plugin right here. So the one that we already had written, and then we're going to paste it inside of plugins. Oops. So plugins, paste that in. And now I'm going to do some tweaks. So here, what I want is, first I want to say the from image and then to, so we also can specify the to image, and then the to image will be, so here it will be an image, and this will be, and if I just show you properly, so here this will be docker dot and then io and then Amigos code / and then $, and then the variable name, so app.image name. And here column, and we also want the $ app.image tag. And to be honest, this is it. But you see right here, we actually want to build two images, right? So I want to build one with this tag and then the other one with latest. So what we can do is have an execution, or in fact we can have two executions. So here, so execution, and has to be outside of configuration, so executions and then execution. And in here, what we're going to do is say that we want an ID, and this will be push custom and then tag, and this will have goals inside and then a goal, and this will be build. So remember, when we say Jib build, we can build the image and push it to Docker. And also I want the configuration, and I'm just going to paste the to tag in here, or the to section. So then what I'm going to do is take this execution, Command C, and then paste it, and this will be push and then latest and then tag, and this will be latest. So just delete that and then latest. And then in here, you can see that we have the build as well, right? So this is it. So let's also create another profile. So we want to have a couple of profiles. So let me just grab all of this again. And by the way, you can grab all of this in the description of this video. So I'm going to grab this profile, and then here, this one will be, so Jib push to and then local. And then right here, we technically don't have to change anything apart from this part right here. So build, and then here we say Docker build, and the same here, Docker and then build. And there you have it. One thing that I actually forgot is that for the execution, we also have to specify the phase. So here we want to run this when we package the application, and let's do the same for the above. So here, so phase and then package. We also forgot on this one here, so phase and then package, and also in here, so otherwise this will not run. So phase and then package. And again, you can grab all of this from the description of this video. And to be honest, this is it. So let's actually change this to Docker and then hub. And I've just realized that, so in here, so for this zip push to local, so here, so we don't have to say docker.io, so we can just remove that, because this will be to our local machine, and also this one here. So let's just remove that, and there we go. Now if I open up the terminal,